Hello everyone. In this video you will learn how to set up Wizio Buildbox page feature using the Wizio Bundle app on your Shopify store. So to get started, open the Wizio Bundle app from your Shopify admin panel, and if you haven't installed it yet, you can do so using the link given in the description. So once installed, open the app and click here on Build a Box. Now navigate to Create Box. So start by customizing the box name from here. Then in Target, choose all products if you want to apply this offer to all the products, and you can even exclude products from here. Select this option if you want to apply this offer to specific selected product and then select the products from here. You can also apply this offer to products in selected collections by selecting this one. Now let's move to discount logic. So I want to apply this offer to the specific products. So from here you can set up different discount tiers based on the number of items in the bundle, as well as you can select the discount type and then define the discounts. Click here to add multiple discount batch and configure the number of items and the discount percentage for each. On the right you will see the summary of the current bundle offer. Once your setup is ready, let's move to page setup. So now I will show you in detail the steps to set up the Wizio Buildbox page on your Shopify store. So first you need to download the files from here to set up the Buildbox page. Also save this offer before we move ahead. So first open your Shopify admin panel, and on the left hand side menu in the admin panel click on online stores. In the themes you will see the current live theme, and from here you need to click on the action button. Now click on edit code. Now inside the code editor find the section folder and click on add a new section and name it Wizio Buildbox page.liquid and click on done. Now you need to open the downloaded files and copy the entire code of the liquid file. Now paste it into your newly created Wizio Buildbox page.liquid file and then click on save button from here. Next, scroll to the asset folder, click on add a new asset. Now choose create a blank file. Name this file visiostyle.css. Then go back to your downloaded file and copy the CSS code. Paste it into your visiostyle.css file and then click on save button. Now return to your Shopify admin. The next step is to customize your theme. So navigate to online store and click on customize. At the top, click the drop down where it says home page. From the list, click on pages, then click on create template. Name it build a box. Now click on create template. So this will create a new page template where you can add the build box feature. So click here on add section, then click on Wizio build a box page. Here in the left side you will find a field to enter your bundle ID. So for that you need to open the Wizio bundle app, and from here you need to copy the box ID and paste it here in the bundle ID. Now click on save button. Now go back to check its preview. From here click on this preview button. Now ensure that the template is assigned to this page, and from here you can check the results. And that's it. Your Builderbox page is now fully set up and ready to boost the conversions. So that's it for the video. If you have any query or need setup related help, you can reach out to us through our email or chat support. Thank you.